Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am reviewing Lakme Whitening Rose Powder with Sunscreen. The MRP of this product is 160 rupees for 27 grams. Let's see what it claims. Loose face powder with rose fragrance contains extracts of real roses, protects skin from the harmful rays of the sun, control oil for long hours. It gives you an instant bright complexion. This universal shade suitable for all skin tones has a soft texture and delivers a matte look every day. It comes in a round silver plastic box. Inside it has a transparent plastic cap. They have given puff also. Instead of this puff you can also use powder brush. This powder is white in color. The powder is so smooth. It instantly whitens the skin. It gives so natural look. It doesn't give coverage like compact powder. Coming to my experience, it absorbs oil on my skin and gives fresh look to my face. It gives smooth finish and even skin. I sometimes use this as a baking powder. You can apply this powder directly on your face or over your foundation. It gives matte finish. It stays around 3 hours. I don't know whether it contains SPF 20, 30 or 40 because they have not mentioned it. Finally, I like this rose powder. It is travel friendly and affordable product also. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys like my video. Please do like, comment, share and subscribe.